Wait, who's setting? What if we have a full dad back row and a full son front row?
Ordonez setting.
Oh, sorry. Sorry.
Did all?
Sorry.
Maui, get up.
Okay. Hold on.
Dang it! I know, man.
Go.
Wah, wah, wah.
Oh my.
Oh my.
Jaden with the
Yeah,
fadeaway.
to the rescue.
Jaden with the fadeaway. What does that mean?
Fade?
I think me.
Hey, do you know who just ended?
Nope.
Yeah.
No, I don't.
Deep ocean. What the heck is that?
That was a bad one. Not you, not you. It's not you.
Good, good.
Trying to pike. It's okay. Oh.
The elephant, kung fu.
Heads up! Oh, sorry.
Oh!
Rotate.
Tito Goma and Nico.
Yeah.
Sorry.
I didn't know you were gonna set me. Sorry. Sure. Yeah. Stay there.
Okay.
Tight. Wait.
What the heck is that?
High five. Yeah, go. He's setting, yeah.
What the heck is that, Jaden? Ugly.
I really do follow like my dad. It's not the same way.
Okay, fine.
Ow!
Good. Ah. Good job.
You're good.
Oh. Hurry up. A-C-E, ace. Ace. Ah! Out!
N-E-T, net. 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 Net.
Boo!
Pushing me up. The
I got
Jaden
you,
is.
I got you.
George.
Oh!
Where did that go? American Airlines.
Nice.
Good set. Hey! A-C-E, ace! A-C-E, ace!
Yay. We're doing it.
Hey! A-C-E, ace! Ace! A-C-E, ace!
Oops, sorry.
I'm tired. Jaden!
Bro, Jaden has a blooper every game. Go, Nico, go, Nico, go.
Oh, my bad.
Oh! Oh! Oh!
I got it.
Hit it!
Hey! Jaden!
I caught him. No, that's still me.
I'm a center.
It's the Gomer next. It's the Gomer. Yeah. Because you're next. You're next. Yeah. See the Gomer, you're on this side. Ooh-yah.
I'm here!
Hit it. Ah! Hey!
C. No, it's not.
Okay.
Ace.
We didn't say anything. Okay.
Out.
Yay. Hey, hey, hey.
Nganga. Nganga. Lazy.
Ooh. Yes! I megged him. I megged him. A-C-E.
Not good.
What's our lineup? What?
Jaden, I don't know about that one. Go, Tito Gomer. Go, Tito Gomer. Oh. E, ace, 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 ace.
Not bad.
Go!
You got it.
Oh! Home block.
Home block.
Home block. What?
Nobody here on defense. That's like cheating. 10 seconds.
You went too. You were earlier. Tito Gomer was here already. Once the third hit goes, your dad, then he said he's ready. Yeah. I don't know where we are. I'm after. I got it. I thought you middle.
I'm here, Jaden.
Go.
Yeah, I'm here. Glenn. Haha.
You, Uncle Mark.
Okay. Hey! A-C-E-S. Oh. Same. Okay. Yeah.
I got it. Help. Help.
I got deep. Get up, Maui! Oh my goodness. You guys suck. Jaden.
Play.
Hui! Go!
Okay. Help.
Oh yeah. Good shot, Jaden. We're good, Ty. Ball.
Just stay there. Oh!
It's too close, guys.
I didn't move.
Alright, come on.
Oh! Ah! Come on, Glenn! Wah, wah, wah. Ow, my fingers! Oh!
He tricked him. This is planned. Here we go. I'll record the play.
Oh, that effort. Ay, my fingers!
Let's go, roll.
Where are we going? Oh! I can't! Gomer. Ah!
Great block, great block.
Siyempre.
Where are you?
Diyan ka na sa gitna.
Get it. Push one. Help. Over.
Good. Yeah.
I got it.
Oh, yeah.
I got it.
It's over. Right here!
Get ready. Great game.
Good game, buddy. That was fun. That's fun. Boo!
Yeah.